Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials. Your phone model supports VoLTE and the Hutch SIM is active. Once done, enable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi to force cellular registration. Make sure airplane mode is off and the phone has good signal bars. Weak signal prevents VoLTE registration. Next, open the phone settings where network options live so you can switch parameters immediately. Don't pause here. Proceed to modify network and SIM settings in the next step. Now, navigate to Mobile Network Settings, select the Hutch SIM, and choose LTE or 4G as the preferred network type. That allows IMS to register. Locate the VoLTE or Enhanced 4G calling toggle and turn it on. This instructs the modem to use the IMS stack for voice. If you lack a VoLTE toggle, edit the APN. Ensure IMS-related fields are populated with Hutch parameters and save. Then restart the radio or reboot the phone to force IMS re-registration. Finally, reboot the phone and watch for the VoLTE or HD voice icon in the status bar. This confirms IMS registration. Make a short call to verify the network uses VoLTE rather than falling back to 3G. You'll notice faster call setup and higher audio clarity. If calls still use 3G, reopen APN and network mode settings, toggle VoLTE off and on, or insert the SIM into a known working VoLTE handset to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.